Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2007 Terramite T5C compact backhoe loader. I have 5 of these currently for sale. This has 1,866 hours. Unit's in very good running working condition. All the machines are about matched up the same. All have the 50-inch front bucket, 16-inch rear quick change bucket, 8'4" digging depth, and powered by the Kohler V-twin 20 horsepower gas engines. Power steering units. This machine has a very good seat, 4-post rocks. We've had it in, checked it out. It's had recent service, actually within a few hours, and is ready to go to work. There's no major oil leaks on any of these machines. There could be a little dampness around 1 or 2 cylinders, but they didn't warrant repacking of anything. Hoses are all good. These are good, affordable, running, working backhoes. So let's start you over here at the engine compartment. We'll take you completely around. Again, powered by a Kohler Command Pro V-twin gas engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. And again, these machines have all had recent service. Battery's good. This is your hydraulic control valve here for your loader. We've actually had a good many calls already on these. I have 2 advertised. I haven't had time to get the rest of these videos done. Terramites are a very tough little tractor loader backhoe. Guys that own them, you know what I'm talking about. It's amazing what you can do with one of these little machines. Up front, power steering. Up here you do have your 50-inch bucket. This is the new style bucket from Terramite. Rubber's all in good condition. Again, the lights do work. 4-post rocks. Seat is good. Coming around, you have a standard valve back here. Standard John Deere style controls that run the backhoe. Outriggers. There is absolutely no aftermarket welding on these, on the boom or loader arms, anything like that. Everything there is very good. And you can see the machine, actually his original paint and everything there looks good. So I'm going to go ahead this time, fire this machine up. We'll run it around. I'll show you it does everything it's supposed to do. I'll pick itself up with the boom, that kind of thing. And that way you know the hydraulics are good. That's your boom lock that's in place, so whenever you have your boom up in the air for the engine to do service work. If you have any questions, 2007 Terramite T7 tractor loader backhoe, please let us know. We're glad to help you. If you want to come by and see any of the ones we have for sale, you're more than welcome to do so. We have absolutely nothing to hide. We can be reached at 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please see us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.